Hey, hey, hey. Hey, Jeanne Cotton fans. Welcome to the Jeanne and Cotton Show. So today we're both so excited because we're going to be making icing slime.
Can you believe it, guys? We are going to make a really smooth slime and we're going to try to run it through the icing bags. We may even sell them in our icing bags. What do you think about that?
We might, guys.
If they turn out, we may
yes.
be able to do that.
This is what I am doing with my slime. I'm going to be doing a little mint chip. So it's going to be called chocolate or mint chocolate chip or something like that. I haven't decided on the name quite yet, but then I'm using green food dye, a stirring stick, and a bowl, a little tiny bit of glitter, shaving cream, my activator, and I'm going to be using glue.
Alright guys, I am going to be making blue raspberry Fanta.
And I came up with the idea, I just thought it was amazing.
Yes. I'm going to be using the clear glue. I like the way that it works the best. It's easier for me. I'm going to be using a little bit of watercolor, turquoise watercolor, and then I have root beer scent and cotton candy, and I'm just going to do a little bit of root beer to make it kind of have a soda smell, and then I'm going to do the cotton candy to make it really sweet.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, and then I'm going to put some of this gold glitter in mine to be the fizz for the blue Fanta or blue raspberry Fanta soda.
So let's get started. Okay guys, so we both made amazing slimes. And my mom's did not turn out like she wanted it to, but
I
really
love it.
Awesome.
I'm gonna call this galaxy icing because it looks just like galaxy. Look at it, it's amazing. It smells so amazing. It has root beer and cotton candy scents mixed together, and it smells really nice. So this is exactly what I would want if I had set out to make galaxy slime.
Oh yeah.
So
and it's really jelly.
I love the texture. It's not as sticky as it looks. I've got to get all the
She has a
stickiness
lot of stuff on her hands.
off my hands. Okay, tell them about yours.
Okay, so this is mine. It's turning a little bit of a darker color.
I think that's the black coming off of the bloom, but it's okay.
Mine's mint chocolate icing.
Mint chocolate chip, right?
Mint chocolate chip ice cream frosting. That's a long name, but that's what I want it to be called. So now we're going to run it through them, and let me just give you pokes.
So we got icing bags.
I'm doing pokes. So it is super nice, and I love it so much.
And we have several different icing heads.
Okay. Can we run them through all of them? Every single icing head?
Yeah. Okay, so here you go.
Ooh, these are long.
They are, and the tip is not going to be cut yet. Okay, so
How are you supposed to put it in?
however you want, however you figure it out.
Okay, I need to restart.
Here, how about I'll open your bag for you.
Okay, and I'll open.
Just hold it like this and it'll fall down eventually. Okay, now hold my bag open. All right, guys. So let's get our hands. I gotta get my hands clean.
Ooh, I'm squeezing it down. Now I'm going to do this tip first.
And then you pull it in like this. So make it tight. You see what I'm saying, on the icing bag. That's too big. I'm gonna try this.
There we go.
I love it.
Now we're gonna.
Now you need. Do we have a pad that it won't stick to? Any plastic or?
You can just shove it in there.
Okay, I love that. Okay.
Wait, scissors are over there.
Here's some scissors. Okay. So we gotta cut the tips off.
I can't really cut. What?
You cut the tip off
Oh.
of your bag. Okay, and then
Mine's not cutting.
you have to hold the top while you're pushing. Let's see. I think I'm gonna use the big one. Okay. My tip was cut too small. Okay.
Wait, it's not really one to cut.
Oh, that's so cool. Look at mine.
That's funny, Mom. I need to push mine down a little more. Ooh.
Okay, so we're probably not going to be selling them in the icing bag, but it's still kind of cool.
Mine went all the way to the top of the bag. But seriously. Are you using your thing?
Mm-mm. It just is hard to do.
Okay. Woo!
Exactly.
Look at that. Perfect.
Alright guys, so I'm not sure I'll do that again with my slime. But it sounded really cool, didn't it?
I didn't really hear it.
No, I mean, it sounded like a good idea. That's what I mean. I love this slime. This really turned out well. I'm going to be putting this in the 2-ounce size to go in our review packages. What do you think?
I like it. I don't like this idea that much. It keeps sticking.
I know, it's just kind of a mess. But we tried, and it sounded neat, and we gave it a whirl, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So if you guys were thinking about doing this, but this is our original idea. But if you guys were thinking about doing this, then don't. It's fun, but I don't really recommend it.
No, it's not that fun. Okay, so time to fill up. Let's see how many 2-ounce sizes I get.
And I'm not going to fill mine yet because mine's fluffy slime and it could deflate, so I'm not going to fill mine yet.
Okay, and you cannot overfill these or they won't shut properly.
What?
Looks nice. Okay, so let's see, it's 3 and 4. Looks like I'm gonna have just a teeny bit left over.
4 extra.
I need to make sure all these are shut. And this one has a little too much in it. So what's that one? So I'm actually going to get 5. No problem.
And a little extra.
That's true.
Feel this one out because this one's bright blue.
Okay, so here is 1. Wow, that looks amazing. Okay.
Who do you think won this?
I think my color won.
Mm-hmm.
Jeanne, you put the plastic piece in there. I think my color won, and I don't know, because your color, ooh, girl, it's getting kind of rough.
Ratchet. I don't think I'm gonna sell this kind of gross color. I'm just gonna try it. Fell on the ground.
It's okay.
I think my feel won because your feel's too jiggly.
Oh, I like it. I love this feel. I think you're just used to that fluffiness. It's a good stretchy slime. 5 more, guys, going with all of our review packs. It looks amazing. It looks just like Galaxy. Okay, guys, so comment down below, you know, what you think about our slimes. I mean, was it a bust or do you like it? So
I think I like yours better.
I think I like mine
But I
better
like
too.
my feel
That's an
better.
awful lot of food coloring.
I'm just trying to get it good.
All right, you gonna sign off?
Bye everybody, please comment, like, and subscribe.